as the world becomes increasingly dependent on interconnected, high-tech infrastructures. There is growing concern regarding the potentially catastrophic repercussions to modern society of large-scale, long-duration power outages. In response to this emerging global hazard, on August 23, 2017, 500 public and private agencies and corporations in 44 states and in 14 nations took action. In offices, conference rooms, and emergency operations centers around the world, they participated in one of the largest multi-sector exercises ever attempted. On August 22, 2018, it evolved into something entirely new.
And concerns are growing today as the sporadic internet and communication outages seen worldwide over the past few days have increased dramatically.
Historic situation on our hands here.
This is a regional, national, and international update.
This year, it's happening again, and it's grown into something a whole lot bigger.
Now, for users in non-English speaking regions, BSX will be using live translated subtitling.
We've got a couple of these hitting the Americas and more moving down from the north through the UK and Europe across the Atlantic